Oh, I don't know if you guys can hear me. Oh, music is going. Yes, I can hear the music too. Boom. All right, everybody. This show is edutainment. It stands for education, entertainment, smashed into one. Not financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor. You don't want to follow me today either. Today has been a down day. Got whipsawed out of it. Experienced a halt and a flush down. So I'm not happy today. I wish you're having a better day than me. But lessons learned today for sure. Got just so wish me more luck. I am going to start the show off in a little bit. Hopefully switch up my day. All right, here we go. What's up, social media world? My name's Alfred Gordon-Liu. This is 8 at 8, and 8 minutes starts right now. Just like that. Today we're talking about Pfizer. It's right here. Ticker symbol PFE, part of the S&P 500. If you're going to trade an index, S&P or SPY is probably what you're looking for. But if you're looking to get a little more higher and look at sector, it is part of the healthcare sector, XLV. I don't know why V. I don't know if anybody can tell me why V stands for healthcare. But if you are an investor, you're coming to the investor relations page. It's a $50 stock. It is up 10 cents today as per their website. And where is my, there it is. There you go. If you're looking at this, you are taking a look at when they're reporting, what news they have out, and any kind of conferences that can really boost their stock prices, because that's when people do their selling, they do their presentations, and they kind of pump up the stock, pump it up. So you didn't come here for that, but you came here for the chart. So let's take a look at this from positional trader standpoint. We're looking on a monthly chart, and we're seeing how our investments have done over the last couple of months. So we had a high of 61, we had a low of maybe 45, and now it's coming back down into the middle like a big old wedge, right? So we had a couple of down arrows, right? I would say that's 3 down arrows, and now it's trying to fight back into positive land. If it crosses this moving average, then we'll get a green arrow. But the sellers still have control. They've been pulling it down a little bit more, and people have been dumping this stock. So if you've rode this up a little bit, I would say still we've had it in the negative territory, and could it go down further? Yes, this is the change. As of last month, July, the tune has changed, and you might want to think about exiting your stock if you want to hold on to your gains. With that said, within these candles, let's see what these opportunities are, because we're going to go to a swing trading, and we're looking at a daily chart, and we're taking a look at what opportunities we have, buying dips, selling the highs, and for that we're using our simple Bollinger Bands, which you can find on many different platforms. But if we zoom in and look at our chart here, and I'm just going to try to zoom in here for you. You know, this is a pretty good zoom so far, everybody. Come on. Yeah, I don't have to zoom in too much. There you go. We looked like we had just hit a bottom, and now we're bouncing off. My mouse is just driving me nuts. I have to figure out if I can get a new mouse or work on the connection. But look at this. These 2 wicks, like I said, these 2 wicks right here in the last couple of days. That was the 28th. That was the 1st. So Friday, Saturday had a wick below. Those were your opportunities to buy at 49. Let's just say 49 and a quarter. And now it's shot back up to 51. Well, let's shoot back up a little higher. We're going to have a little resistance as we approach 52, and we try to push to 53 for sure. We're going to have some resistance. But as you see, this swings quite nicely. It goes to the bottom, it goes to the mids, it goes to the highs, it goes back to the bottoms, it goes to the mids, tries to hit the highs. So we are consolidating here. I think we are also going to be in this little bit of a range that we have here. And I would say your ceiling for sure is around 50. Let's just call it 53.5 right there. I would say that's a pretty good ceiling, and that's right at the edge of the Bollinger Band. Will it get to 51 to 53? It might take a couple of days to get there with some upside momentum, and I think if that's what you're seeing right here, it does have some upward momentum, but a little bit lower here, you can see that it is negative and it's decreasing in power, losing its power, and I think those bands are coming down. So this is a little bit of divergence. This strength going up, these bands going down, definitely losing a little bit of momentum. But the strength is still halfway, but it could be weakening. So with you traders, I would say, yeah, maybe even in this market, it's had these crazies up. Maybe you could take profits probably around the 52 right here, so another 75 cents before it comes back down. So what is going to actually move this? Because we got to come and look at our news right here. They already had earnings, if I remember correctly, right here. They had earnings just on Friday. The street wanted 1.78. They reported 2.04, giving us a nice little boost. That's why it dipped down and then went back up. As for today, what's in the news and what can move us with 307 earnings, 11 stock splits, 2 IPOs, and 42 economic events. Let's see what those economic events are going to move the needle for us here in the States. The Red Book, not a biggie, but I think it's not in here, but in the news, Nancy Pelosi is in Taiwan. I don't know if it really affects Pfizer per se, but Pfizer's been in the news a little bit. They're beating Moderna in the Omicron booster market. Yes, COVID is still a thing. So monkeypox too. I think they have some vaccines or some treatments for monkeypox as well. But what number one key drug news might mean for Pfizer as well? They are just chalking up. So I don't know if there's a heck of a lot of news that's going to move the markets today for Pfizer. It is up slightly. So let's go take a look intraday and let's see what we find here. Moving my body over. We're taking a look at this. We're taking, the lows are right under me. So let's just take that. We're going to take a little bit of Fibonacci. We're going to take the lows of 49.1. We're going to take the highs of here of 52.6. And we're going to just drop it like that. And then we're going to zoom in to what we got for the day. So as you can see, it's pierced this 38.2, which is a key level. And now I think it's kind of bouncing off of that. Will it make its way up to the next level of our Fibonacci, which is 51.82? All right. I think it's gathering strength right now. So you can see it hit the bottom of 50.88, moving on the way up. I think it's going to gather some strength right here as it makes a run at 51.82. Right? Very possible that we get up there. The trend is moving to the upside. It's hit. It's gotta pierce 51.50 first. If it has 51.50, it can run all the way up to 58. So let's take a look. We're just zooming out, taking a look at levels right here. All right, there is one, and yes, that 51.75 is going to be a pretty good level to look for. So I would say you're going to run that gamut for today. Wow, it's about a 50 or 60 cent move today in this way. Oh, look right there, 63 cents right there. Can it get another 63 cents up? Yeah, that's going to be another 2%. It can move 2 or 3% in a day. Just like that, we're done. All right, everybody. Let's see if we can get that chart back up so we can look at what I was looking at. Woo. And then, with so many there, let's narrow it down to just that. Nope. Nope. Yep. Nope. That's the one. Boom. That's what I wanted to show you. I zoomed out a little bit so you can see those levels. I can't really see them on my chart. No, it's too. Maybe I have to cover my face so you can see them. There you go. Yeah, I covered my face. So you can take a look at that chart. You can see that that's a pretty key level right there. Let's just call it 51.75. There you go. It's gonna bounce, it's gonna consolidate, and it's gonna move on up. So let's zoom on in here. Watch it consolidate around that 51.3 level, gaining some power to get past this 175. That is my crystal ball for today. Let's move this to the side. Woohoo! Hello, there I am. All right, everybody. With that said, I'm shut down for today. I'm doing a self-imposed shutdown. I need to regroup as I am, we're called just bleeding chips. Man, it hasn't been a great week for me. I need to refocus, repack, and just do a lot of great work, just analyzing my losers, looking into why I've been just giving up market tuition. I need to do a little bit better. So wish me luck as I go back to the drawing board, unpacking some of my losses and getting better. With that said, 20 seconds, I'm out of here. It is summertime. Summertime volume is a big thing. That's probably the reason why these trends aren't holding. And that was a lot more whipsaw than I'm used to. So with that said, I love you guys. Peace out.